Like we'll start like turning right and doing the whole track. Oh! Oh, Seth goes down!
I just fell in love with a bad bitch. Told me that she love me too, baby. I'm not having it. Sipping cocaine, cause I didn't have no activision. Smoking propane with my clique and the bad bitches call me Cobain. She can see the pain.
Alright, out at the pit bike track with Chancho. I just fully decked out my bike. Oh, yeah, dude. That is nice. Dude, it's like a full, like, supercross bike. I'm not running a pipe, dude. It's a fucking beautiful day, dude. Oh, I used to, look at how much this car stands. Like, dude, just look at it. Alright, out at the pit bike track with Chancho. I just fully decked out my bike. Got new tires, new front suspension. Got a 22mm CRF110 carb instead of 13mm carb. And new BBR rear shock. I think that's about it. So it should mob today, we'll see. Yeah, I still can't wheelie this thing. Oh, there we go. Got a goddamn chopper here. Oh, you can't even see them. Are they circling us? Ah, we're probably good. Alright guys, should be a pretty badass day. Got the full squad out here. Brought a bunch of shovels. Just rained, sun's out. Already got circled by cops, so just kind of weird, but should be pretty sick. Got my modded 110. So, pretty pumped. See how today goes. Is that thing still running over there? Listen, you can't even hear it. Is it still running? Yeah, look at that. So quiet, it's insane. Alright guys, we just built probably the biggest jump on our track. I don't know how it's gonna work. It's a full step up. It's a double. You can't case it. But I think I can send it. I think I'll be fine. Got Chancho up there. He's gonna film it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I got it. Oh my! It's not that bad. Second. Look at it, I cased this, chill. Yo, just second gear. Really? I cased it and it's super smooth. Huh? Alright, follow close. You gonna hit it, Kyle? Yeah. Alright, it's easy. Just don't panic.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright. You got it. Alright. Chancho, film! Yeah!
Oh, dude, you almost flew over the hill.
You did, dude! Yeah! You hit it? Did you hit it?
Super big.
Fuck yeah, dude!
Oh, I hit it fast.
Yeah.
Alright, follow me off.
Alright.
You got it, Seth. Like we'll start like turning right and doing the whole track. Oh! Oh!
Oh, shit goes down.
Oh, Seth goes down! God damn, you good?
Yeah.
You good?
Holy shit.
I tried to whip it.
That's so
like-
fucking sick.
You were super shaky. When we got up there, you were shaky. I could tell you weren't sure.
I'm gonna do the full track. Yeah, bro, 22 mil carb, dude. Electric start.